In this video, we'll show you how to install FiveM. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so FiveM is a multiplayer modification for GTA 5 that lets you join thousands of custom community servers. So whether you're into roleplay, racing, PvP, or custom game modes, FiveM gives you access to experiences that aren't available in the standard version of GTA 5. Alright, before installing FiveM, make sure you already own a legitimate copy of GTA 5 through Steam, Epic Games Launcher, or the Rockstar Games Launcher. FiveM doesn't include GTA 5 itself, so you'll need the game installed on your PC before continuing. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download FiveM, install it correctly, connect it to your GTA 5 installation, and connect to a server. Alright, first let's download FiveM. You can go to fivem.net or just click the link in the description. Now once you're here, you can download it straight away, but this is the standard version, which is only for GTA 5 Legacy. So if you want to play FiveM on GTA 5 Enhanced, you can scroll down and here you can download the early access of FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. Now currently people are using GTA 5 Legacy to play FiveM, so we're gonna install it for GTA 5 Legacy. Just hit download, it'll prompt a download, just save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save, and the download is done. Now go to your downloads folder and open up the exe file. Just double click on it, it'll download some files, and then it will locate your GTA 5 automatically. If FiveM couldn't locate your GTA 5 for some reason, you can just locate your GTA 5 manually. You can go to these paths on the screen, which is the default install location. Now if you still cannot find it and you don't know where your GTA 5 install location is, you can locate it through your launcher. On Epic Games, you can go to library and then look for your GTA 5, click the three dots on the right, hit manage, and then you can click this folder icon to open the install location. On Steam, you can do the same. You want to go to library and then look for your GTA 5, right click on it, manage, and hit browse local files. Just copy the path and paste it here, select GTA5.exe, hit open, and the installation will continue. It will verify the game content, and if the game data is outdated and needs to be updated, you'll be asked to download the update. So just hit yes and it'll start the download. It'll analyze the game data once again. After the setup is done, it will launch FiveM and you'll be greeted with this terms of service. You can read through it, and if you accept, just hit I accept and we're in. Now you can link your account by signing it with CFX. If you don't have it currently, you can just skip it for now. You can always link your account later. And now to connect to a server, you can click browse servers. You can click browse servers and you'll see a lot of server you can join. So for example, if you want to join a roleplay server, you can just type in roleplay like that. And then on the right, you can see the player count. Once you find the server you want to join, just click on it and then hit connect. For this video, let's just join in a test server. So it's going to be this one, FiveM test server. Hit connect. And if the game is not compatible, you need to restart your game and download it. Don't worry, FiveM will handle everything. You just click continue and it will start downloading what it needs. After that's done, FiveM will restart. After we restart, it will connect to the server. And there we go, we are connected to the server. There's now so many things going around on this server because this is a test server. If you want to join another server, maybe a roleplay server, go ahead and do it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.